I know you guys want to see the gift cards, so here are some of the gift cards that you can earn here on.
What's up, family? Are you tired of having to go out to earn your money and you want to make money in the comfort of your own home? Well, this video is for you. I'm going to tell you 3 websites that you can go to today and start earning money on your phone or your computer from the comfort of your own home by doing something that we all do, giving your opinion. Oh yes, it's going down in this video. All 3 of these websites are totally free. You don't have to pay any kind of membership or have any long-term commitment to them in order to earn some money starting today. Yes, baby. And I know some of you like gift cards.
All 3 options offer gift cards.
So if you like to make money from home like I do, then do me a favor and hit that algorithm in the face and let YouTube know that you like this type of content. You like to make money from home. And if you're new here, make sure you let me know that you subscribe so I can say, hey. Now that we got that out of the way, let's get into this video where I give you 3 websites where you can start making money from home today just to give your opinion. Let's go. Okay, so this first website is called Shoppers Voice. This one pays in gift cards. For those of you that are like,
gift cards, no, I want cash.
Let me be the first to tell you, I earn hundreds of dollars in gift cards. And gift cards are one of the main sources that help offset my monthly expenses. I can get a Target gift card and go get some clothes, go get some groceries, go get some school supplies, toilet paper, things that I have to get anyway, instead of coming out my pocket and using cash. So gift cards are really, really helpful. Do not sleep on them, okay? So Shoppers Voice will pay you to open your emails and give your opinion. But it's better if I show you.
This is no joke. You can earn gift cards on here, plus you can get coupons and free samples, and they do giveaways where you can earn a $1,500 prepaid gift card this month. For those of you that may be new to the channel, or if you may have forgotten, I am in the US, if you can't tell by the Philadelphia accent. The information that I'm giving is from my experience here in the United States. If you're not in the United States, you can find out if it works in your country by clicking the link that I'm going to have in the description. That goes for every option on this channel. If you need additional options outside of the US or some advice on how to find options in a country outside the US, check the description. I have a note in there. So let's move on because we're not going to harp on that. In order to earn those gift cards, it's explained right here. What they'll do is they'll send you some emails and you can click and open those emails and answer surveys. It's as simple as that. That's what will earn you your gift cards on Shoppers Voice. Now, of course, we got to know how to sign up, right? So if you are new to this website or if you are returning, you go to the same place. You click this upper right hand button, sign in. Once you're over there, you can either log in if you already have an account or activate your account if you are brand new. Okay, so we're going to click activate your account and then it will take you over to this page. So you just submit your email address right here and click send, and they will send you an email where you confirm your email, and then from there, you're off to the races.
So in Shoppers Voice Rewards, you can sign up for a free account and put your email in. If you're smart, you won't put your main email where business stuff has to come or really important emails have to come. Start a separate email account, one that won't overtake your regular inbox and have you missing more important emails. Use a separate email account just for doing surveys or getting deals and coupons. I'm gonna link Shoppers Voice Rewards down below so you can check it out yourself. Remember, when you use my links, you are supporting a single mom, because a lot of the links are affiliate links, not all, but a lot of them are affiliate links, so that I can earn a small commission to help keep content coming to you guys and help pay my bills while I'm doing this content. All right, so I appreciate you guys for using my links. Shoppers Voice Rewards link will be below. So the second option is Quick Rewards. Quick Rewards is a free website that you can go to. When you sign up, there are a bunch of ways that you can earn some real cash. I'm talking about money sent to your PayPal account, okay? So the ways that you can earn money on Quick Rewards include doing surveys, playing games, shopping online and getting rebates, and even doing something as simple as watching videos. Oh yes, you can get paid for that. But let me show you the Quick Rewards website and show you where to go, how to sign up, and all that good stuff.
You know what I don't like? When you take your time to earn rewards on apps or websites, and they have a high threshold to cash out. Well, guess what? That is not a problem here on Quick Rewards because you can cash out for as little as 1 cent. Oh, yes. I'm telling you, they are no joke. So the thing about Quick Rewards is they have so many different options where you can earn rewards and you can get your money sent to you through PayPal. So we're talking about Cohort Cash, y'all. Okay, that's my favorite way of earning. Like, I love the gift cards, but the cash is where it's at. But for those of you that do like gift cards, they have plenty of them to choose from, 50 retailers. And right here, like it says on the website, there are several ways that you can earn these rewards, including surveys, playing games, watching videos, completing offers. So that would be like signing up for an app or website or a membership or something. And also shopping online. In order to sign up, listen, this is about to be easy peasy. You can go on, create an account. It's in the upper right hand corner here. And when you do that, it will take you over here to this registration page where you will be able to put in your email, create a password, and then let them know how often you want emails from them. So if you're somebody that doesn't want to be bombarded with a whole bunch of emails, you have an option to limit the emails that you get. Or if you're somebody that wants to make as much money as possible, you can get over 25 emails a day if you prefer. And I'm going to give you a sneak peek into my account. Okay, so when you go in here, there is a wheel that you can spin every day, and you can earn spins by doing surveys or watching videos, you know, the basic stuff that is available on this website. But I know you guys want to see the gift cards, so here are some of the gift cards that you can earn here on Quick Rewards. I told you I was not joking with y'all, okay? There are so many of them. I saw that Amazon gift card. That is my favorite. Also, the PayPal. Remember, I told you you can cash out for as little as 1 cent. But the best way to find out what Quick Rewards can do for you is to come over here yourself. I'm going to link it down below to make it super easy for you. Sign up. Make sure you use this and come back and let me know how many points you earn. How many gift cards did you earn, okay?
And when I tell you Quick Rewards is legit, oh yes, it's legit. They actually have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. And at this point, they've given out over $7 million in rewards. So if there's any platform that you need to be using to give your opinion or do easy stuff online, then Quick Rewards is it. Go ahead over there, check them out. Make sure you use the link below and sign up. Now, this third option to make money online, a lot of you are sleeping on this one, and it's called Capterra. Capterra is a website where you give your opinion about software that you've used. So that includes things such as Google Drive or Canva, different software that a lot of us use in our day-to-day life is right there on Capterra. And basically they just want real users' reviews, and they will pay you $5 for every review, okay? You get up to 10 a month, so that's an easy $50. So on Capterra, you can go on there and fill out these short surveys about a software that you've used at $5 a pop. You can submit up to 10 of them.
Exclusive. So this is exclusive, okay? You're not gonna be able to really find this. I don't know if anybody else actually really has this, but there is a special link on Capterra to be able to earn $5 for each review. Just to prove I know what I'm talking about, okay? Let me just show you right here. This link that I am using, this link that I have, you can earn the $5. Now, if you try to take your behind over to Capterra without using this link, you're going to be met with a page that looks like this. Now, it looks a little similar to the page that I was just on, but guess what? It does not offer the $5. See, that space is missing there. So you can go ahead and do the reviews for free if you want, or you can use my link that I'm going to put in the description so that you can earn $5 for each eligible review. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys that, but just real quick, I want you to see how short the reviews are. Here's one that a lot of us use, Eventbrite. If you throw parties and you send digital invitations, you might have used the Eventbrite website or app. You can search Eventbrite on Capterra and it will bring you to this page right here. And as you can see, this is a super simple survey, and you can save time if you sign in with LinkedIn. It'll fill in your information automatically. Now the next page is really short as well. Now I just had to put some information in so we can come over to this page, and as you can see, this is super easy, multiple choice options. The next page will look like this. Simple review. You can actually bang these out in less than 5 minutes. Okay, easy peasy. Okay, so in less than an hour of your time, you can earn $5 a pop.
So once you submit those surveys, then it might take up to like 3 weeks, but they will send you an email with a link where you can go claim a gift card. So this includes either a Visa or MasterCard gift card or a Target gift card. Sometimes they switch them up, but normally they'll have like maybe Target, Walmart, like a few different gift cards that you can choose from. One thing that you have to know if you're going to use Capterra is not every single review will be accepted. All of mine are accepted, so I know exactly what to say in order to make sure that all of my reviews on Capterra get accepted. One tip that I have for you guys right here, right now, make sure you take notes on this. Let's be real, Capterra is not going to want to put out reviews that are full of spelling errors, okay? That just, it's not a good look for their company. If you are going to submit a review to Capterra, make sure you do spell check. Okay, I've seen a lot of the comments. A lot of you need to use spell check, okay? I use Grammarly. As a lot of you already know, I'm a blogger. I have my website, NikkiConnected.com. Anytime I'm writing, I have Grammarly already installed on my computer and my laptop and my iPad so that it's doing grammatical correction. Grammarly is a free software that you can use, and it will do spell check for you and check your grammar. So if you want to sign up for Grammarly, I've linked it down below. That will help you big time. Now, there are some other ways that you can make sure that your Capterra reviews are accepted every single time, and certain things that you can say to make sure that your reviews get accepted. And I will happily give you all the details. I have a full-blown tutorial of how to make sure that all of your reviews get accepted on Capterra, including a template on what you can say to make sure that all of these reviews get accepted. And that's available on Patreon. If you want to support the channel and also get exclusive content to help you make money, as well as some giveaways, then I highly suggest you sign up for my Patreon. But hopefully this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. Now, if you are somebody that likes to make money online for doing easy stuff, then I suggest you watch this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around